Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Welcome to Glory Homemaker. In this recipe, we'll be making an easy and fast one-pot chicken fried rice. This is one rice recipe you'll be glad to try out this period. Let's get right into it. And in my bowl, I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of oil, mixed spices, onion powder, barbecue spice, chicken seasoning, black chili pepper, salt, and dried thyme leaves. We're going to mix all this in properly to combine. Mix it in. You should have a taste of this to know if it's in the right proportion as you want it. And I'll bring in the chicken. This is fresh, soft chicken. This doesn't take time to cook at all. And we're going to mix it with the paste, combine it properly. I'm wearing a glove so that the chili pepper doesn't hurt my hands, and we'll mix all this to coat properly. You can use any seasoning or any spice you prefer. The essence is to get it well coated and marinate it for up to 3 hours in the fridge. If you have the time, you can do it overnight. We'll be sending this to the fridge. We'll get back to it later. And let's prep other ingredients. Here I have fresh pepper, garlic and ginger. We are going to grate this into rough textures. And we'll cut the onion we'll be using. What we are basically doing now is to prep all our ingredients so that when it's time for the proper cooking, we'll just be mixing and mixing without any hitches or delays. Here is the spring onions. We're going to cut this into little pieces. And we'll have the bell peppers. We'll be using the green, the yellow, and the red bell peppers. And as much as possible, I'm trying to get them to be all the same shapes and sizes. We'll also cut the carrots into little pieces. I've washed this carrot and scraped off the back. And we'll set all this aside. I have the green beans here. We'll cut off and discard both ends of the green beans. And here is the cooking proper. In a dry pan on heat, I'll add in little vegetable oil. And I'll bring in the chicken. We want to brown the chicken. When I got the chicken off from the fridge, I allowed it to get to room temperature on the counter for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. And when the oil got hot enough, we brought in the chicken. We are going to brown both sides of the chicken, and we'll fry this chicken on high heat for about 2 minutes each on both sides. And remember that the chicken will release lots of amazing flavors into the oil, which we'll use to make the fried rice. And I'll bring in the onion. We are going to stir fry this for about a minute. And here I brought in some of the spring onion and some of the carrots and some of the green beans and the bell peppers. I added all the green peas at once because this takes time to cook. We'll save others for the later part of the video. And we are going to mix and stir fry this for about 3 minutes. This will release lots of flavors as well. And I brought in the peppers, the garlic and the ginger. We are going to stir fry this also for a minute. And now let's season the veggies. Now add in chicken seasoning powder, curry powder, white pepper, thyme leaves, and salt. And we are going to mix all this into the veggies. And I brought in my washed rice. I wash this rice with hot water. You can wash with hot water, cold water, or parboil it, whichever method you prefer. We're going to mix all this properly together. I'm going to stir fry this for about a minute or two. And I added in water to the same level of the rice. If you have chicken stock, you can add yours. I just added in water because I already have lots of amazing flavors from the chicken. Now is the best time to check for your salt and seasoning. I always say that your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. If you're not sure, you add in little per time and adjust as you cook along. And I needed to add in just a little salt. And now we brought in the chicken. And we'll cover this and cook this till the water dries. This will take about 10 minutes. Please keep an eye on it so that it doesn't burn. And this is after 10 minutes. The water is well dried. We'll take the chicken off from the pot. We are going to stir this together. Look at how beautiful this is looking, and this is so delicious as well. And I brought in the remnant of the veggies. This will give it that crunchy bite. And we'll mix all this together for about a minute or two. And we are going to take this off from the heat. Let's go ahead and serve this. And here comes our one pot chicken juicy fried rice. Chicken is so juicy, it's so delicious, well cooked on the inside. What do you think about this recipe? Will you be trying it out? At Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Please also like and share my videos to get amazing content like this. I really appreciate that. Thank you to all my subscribers. God bless you richly. And here is a plate of this yummy fried rice. I hope you'll try this and let me know how it came out for you in the comment section. Give yourself and your family a treat this Christmas season. Merry Christmas to you all, my family and friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.